Okay, so we have a bunch of Shiny applications, which are sort of interactive R applications that we sort of present in this book to try to help you interact and learn about new material. We are trying to work on getting these apps to be published online so then we can sort of insert them in the book interface. But for now, we aren't able to do that, and we're actually just going to we have sort of videos, as you've seen in the book, that kind of walk you through like how each app works. And in the meantime, we also want to make the code available, publicly available, so you can download it if you would like, and sort of play with it on your own machine. So this is the video that tells you how to get these applications on your computer. So I went to Google, I searched GitHub, which hopefully you've heard of before, and I click on the first link, which is GitHub. So GitHub comes up. I want to search. You don't have to sign in. It's everything is public. You don't have to create an account. The first thing I'm going to search is probability. You can see I searched it before. Search probability with an exclamation point. It's not going to come up. There's a lot of different results, but luckily we can use an advanced search. So I go up here to the right, I click on advanced search. It takes a second to come up. The Wi-Fi is slow where I am. Still clocking. Let me try clicking again. Okay, so before the advanced search comes up, we can actually try your probability. Oh, there we go. Okay, advanced search. So now the name of the repository is probability. I'm actually just going to delete this up here. So the name of the repository is probability, and the owner name is mdesorbo. Okay, so you could also search this from the beginning: user : mdesorbo repo : probability. This repository just basically means it's like a database of all the Shiny apps. So we go and we hit search. And it comes up. There we go. This is what we're looking for. We click on this. And now we have all of these lines are files, right? They're just publicly available files that you can download. They are in R. I think the best way, the way I like to do this is click on clone or download. Download zip. The zip file is going to come up. So we'll put the zip file on our desktop. There it is on our desktop. Zip file creates this folder, and now we have this folder of applications. So each of these applications, each of these is a Shiny application in R. Let's open the law of large numbers. So we open law of large numbers. I have it so that it automatically opens with RStudio. You can set it similarly. I recommend using RStudio instead of R. It's just a much nicer interface. So here we are. We have our law of large numbers downloaded in RStudio. Really nice thing about RStudio is that all I have to do is click Run App, and my app launches. You can see we have the law of large numbers app that we talked about earlier. I like to open in browser, so open it in browser. Now we can view it in our Safari page, but that's sort of up to you. So that's how we get it. You can also scroll through, of course, and read the code. Since it's back-end code, it's not necessarily as commented. Although it's pretty well commented, but not as commented as the code you'll see in the book. Last thing, if this Run App button doesn't come up for you, you can also always just kind of hit Command A, select all, and go ahead and run everything. So I just ran all the code, and that also should bring the app up anyways. So ultimately, go to this sort of GitHub repository, download the zip file, and then you have all of these apps at your discretion to run on your local machine, as well as checking out sort of their uses in the book.